We will get started. So our COVID cases as of today, the state just updated their dashboard for Forsyth County. Our today's total that we have identified for yesterday is 123 new cases. Yesterday was 101. And our cases over the last 14 days is 1,049. So you can see our average cases per day are now 75 per day. To put this into perspective, the first week of July, our average cases were 6 to 8 cases per day. So we've seen a drastic increase. Our percent positive is now 8.5%. So 8.5% of tests are returning positive. So we have had just over the last 14 days a 224% increase in the number of cases of COVID-19. I apologize. I will put this on the slideshow where you can see the full scale. So next, looking at the vaccine distribution, this was updated yesterday from the state's website. You can see that our percent of persons partially vaccinated versus percent of the population fully vaccinated. You see the breakdown by race, and then you see the breakdown by age. You can see that the numbers are gradually going up. Really impressed that we now have 36% of 12 to 17-year-olds who are partially vaccinated and 31% who are fully vaccinated. I think that is a great improvement from where we were several weeks ago. Still have a lot of room to go. 51% of the total population is now partially vaccinated, and 48% are fully vaccinated. On the left, you can see that's highlighted that 62% of Forsyth County adults 18 and over are partially vaccinated, and that is compared to 61% across the state, and 59% of Forsyth County adults are fully vaccinated, and that is also 1% higher than the state rate of 58%. This next slide is looking at the mask guidance that came out last week from the CDC, which is recommending that all vaccinated and unvaccinated people wear a mask indoors in public in areas of substantial or high transmission. I want to draw your attention. This is the map that the CDC put out. Last week we were orange for substantial transmission. This week we've been upgraded to red for high transmission. That's the highest number you can have, the highest classification you can have from the CDC. So most counties in the state now are red for high transmission.